Gold has broken out, making an all-time high after 8 years. Now, you are asking me, Harsh, will the gold go up? My answer to that is hell yes, and here is why. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now guys, I had recently made a video on gold and what are the points that gold should do well because of which. The video will be in the description above, description mein bhi hoga, so be sure to check out that video after watching this video. Now, according to my analysis, gold will continue to do well. A lot of people are asking me, Harsh, gold is sitting at an all-time high, is it the right time to invest, is it the right time to buy? Yes, there might be slight corrections, but gold will always trend upwards looking at the current situation. And here is why. Why? Because gold always rises and always does extremely well when there is uncertainty in the economies. Whenever there is uncertainties in the economies, gold always does well. अब I'll tell you. Now, जब भी economies में uncertainties होती हैं, right? So what do the governments do? And this trend of the governments, of worldwide governments, can be seen for the past decades. What do governments tend to do? They tend to throw stimulus package. अब stimulus package क्या होता है? Simple क्या है? We follow the Keynesian theory. What is the Keynesian theory? Is that you pump in money into any economy, the economy will start doing well. You pump in money into any economy, the economy will start doing well. Let me give you an example for, let's say, India. Now in India, just imagine, every citizen of this country has been given 1 crore rupees. Every citizen of our country has been given 1 crore rupees. So again, the figure is absurd, but I'm just giving you a hypothetical situation. Then what will happen? Everyone will spend. People will buy new cars. They will get their houses renewed. They will buy new technology. They will buy new clothes. They'll do a lot of shopping. They'll do a lot of expenditure, right? When they start doing expenditure, उससे benefit क्या होगा? Companies will start to make profit, because of which company will produce more because they are selling out everything. Because of which companies will give jobs more. Because of which our salaries will increase, because of which again we will spend more, and the entire economic cycle will start doing well. आप देख रहे हो? How does the economy work? Right? So whenever countries, economies are facing any kind of uncertainty, government throws stimulus packages. Stimulus packages क्या हो गया? To throw money in the economy, to put money in the economy, to pump in money into the economy. When I say pump in money into the economy, I also mean liquidity. अब बहुत बार आप सुनोगे liquidity increase हो रही है. What is liquidity? Liquidity is the flow of free money in the economy. ठीक है? That is liquidity. So when I say economy is in high liquidity zone, that's what I mean. तो government क्या करेगी? To pump in money into that economy, government will एक highway को it will get reconstructed twice. It will get a lot of public projects doing. Trying to spend money so that people get money. ठीक है? Second चीज, while throwing stimulus packages, now this is called stimulus package. वो क्या होता है? It's an external medicine. तो आप देखोगे जो suppose if I give an example, जो hospital में patient जाता है, he is weak, the patient is not able to stand, तो doctor क्या करेगा? He will give him medicines. He will give him glucose. तो वो स्टिमुलस पैकेज हो गया, एक्सटर्नल फोर्स है जिसके वजह से वो पेशेंट जाग रहा है. सेम सिचुएशन, आवर इकोनॉमी because times of uncertainties has become a patient. It's not being able to move, it's sick. That's why the government is giving a dose of money, a dose of liquidity so that the economy starts to do well. How will that happen? Because then if you have more money, more liquidity, you will spend more, companies will have more profit, then they will give jobs more, our salaries will increase and everything will go well, right? So first step is this. So how does the government do this? It will keep on remaking projects. It will give more public projects to give projects to the people so that the money flows to people. Second situation, the central banks. Now the central banks of the countries, like for India we have RBI, for Europe we have ECB, for America we have Fed. These central banks, they lower down the interest rates, right? When I say banking interest rates, I mean both on loans and on FD. अब इसका advantage क्या होता है? When the interest rate of loan is down, you will take more loans. I will take a loan for a bigger car. I will take loan to open up even a bigger factory, so I can get money easily. Now, if the FD interest rates are also low, so would you save? No. You would say if the FD interest rates are so low, तो यार खर्चा ही कर देते हैं, right? So when I say interest rates are increasing or decreasing, I mean both of loans and FD, both are simultaneously, right? So interest rates increase, दोनों का interest rate बढ़ गया, interest rate decrease, दोनों का गिर गया. Now दोनों का interest rate नीचे आ गया है, you can get loan easily. There is no point of putting money in banks, but because the interest rate is too low. So हो क्या रहा है? Ultimately, not only in India, if you see in major economies of the world, we are having plenty of liquidity at low interest rates. Plenty of liquidity at low interest rates. I hope आप सब समझ रहे हो. When I say liquidity, I mean the amount of money flowing in the economy, the free flowing money in the economy. Why? Because the government has given stimulus package and the central banks have reduced the interest rates, right? All because we are trying to imply the Keynesian theory. ठीक? Now this theory, this structure जो हम काम कर रहे हैं, has been doing pretty well. Actually, USA Fed did the same thing, gave a massive stimulus package after 2008 crisis. It worked very well for them. अब इन situations में ना gold हमेशा अच्छा करता है. This is the time when gold actually does well. That is why if you see the last all-time high of gold was in 2011 to 2012, in that time frame, wherein the situation was the same. क्यों? Just imagine, let's say you have $10,000. ठीक है? Now, for the $10,000, you have 4 broad categories to put your money in. First, you can put in bank FD, then you can put in gold, then you can put in stock markets, or you can put in real estate. 4 ऑप्शन है आपके पास डालने के लिए, बैंक FD, gold, stock market, real estate. Now, your capital of $10,000, you say, Harsh, I don't want to take much risk on it. ठीक है? If you don't want to take risk on it, real estate cut, stock markets cut. What are the 2 options left with you? Bank FD and gold. Now here are the FD rates of some of the top countries of the world. Here are the bank FD rates. Now you will see a trend. So many countries' bank FD rates are nearing zero, and some countries' banks' annualized FD rates are negative. All these FD rates are annualized. साल का मतलब जस्ट इमेजिन, साल में एफडी में डाल रहा हूं, आपको मिल रहा है 0%, 0.045%, और इवन इन नेगेटिव. नाउ इफ यू हैव $10,000 and your bank is giving you, let's assume, 0% interest rate, so would you put your money in banks or in gold? Why? Because when you put your money in bank, you are taking some risk. What if the banks shut down? Risk तो है. I know it's थोड़ा improbable है, but it is a risk, right? And further on, your currency will also depreciate, as a matter of fact. So what do people prefer? Leave this and putting my money in gold. आप difference देख रहे हो? पहले क्या होता था? In FD and gold, people always used to go for bank FD. Why? Because the bank FD used to give good interest rates, about 4 to 5%. Now, bank FD is not giving any interest rate. So gold seems like a much better option. क्यों? At least your currency will not depreciate, gold appreciates. So gold obviously is not going to give you an interest rate, fixed interest rate gold नहीं देगा आपको, but appreciate तो करेगा. So what is the better option? Bank or gold? Gold. And that is why the demand of gold has been massively increasing. And I'm not talking about India, I'm talking about worldwide consumption. ठीक? And that is why I strongly suggest that you should invest your portfolio in gold. Again, some amount of portfolio in gold with the calculated risk आपको पक्का करना चाहिए gold में मेरे हिसाब से. There might be small corrections here or there, but gold का trend is clearly upwards. Right? Second question, Harsh, how should I invest in gold? Now, there are 3 broad categories to invest in gold. First, you buy gold ETFs. Second, you buy sovereign gold bonds. Third, you buy physical gold of jewelry. तो सबसे पहला ऑप्शन नंबर 3 तो काट दो, ठीक है? If you think of jewelry as an investment, it is not. It is an accessory. Second, I don't recommend physical gold because बहुत issues हैं. Where will you keep it? The safety issues, the purity issues, ठीक है? And एक एक्सचेंज ज़्यादा physical gold अपने पास रखना is not allowed. ठीक? उसके बाद आता है sovereign gold bonds. Now, if you want to go for bonds, मतलब basically again, it depends on your portfolio. If you don't want to take that risk, if you want a long-term picture, then gold bonds are excellent. You can go for that. But what I strongly recommend is gold ETFs. And here is the list of gold ETFs available in a stock exchange. You can buy any. All of them are equally good. All of them are equally safe. So this is my analysis on gold and a simple logical reasoning why I believe gold will continue to do well. Right? So again, I had given a video on this earlier also. All other reasons why gold will do well, link आपको मिल जाएगा, video के बाद भी मिल जाएगा. You can check that video out. You can tell me what you think. So comment down below, what do you think? Comment if you have already invested in gold. Comment down below if you are thinking gold will increase or not, and what are your reasons for to invest or not to invest in gold. Let's have a healthy discussion, you guys. Right? So that is it for today. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like the content. Comment down below so that I can read and listen to your thoughts. This is Harsh Goela saying off. Bye Goela School of Finance, financially imparting you.